Since we have some mixed fractions here, we know that we must convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Welcome back to the channel, people. Welcome back. If you have not yet subscribed to this wonderful and informative YouTube channel, please feel free to do so. Click that bell, select all, so that you will be notified whenever we upload a video. Today, I am going to show you how to calculate fraction over fraction. So we're basically going to do fraction over fraction. In CXC, question like this would be the first question on paper 2. So it's good to know how to do problem like this. And this in CXC most time value 2 marks. So I am going to show you how to calculate fraction over fraction. So let's get straight into it. So here we have 2 over 4 plus 1 over 3 over 1 over 2, which is the same thing as half. How do we work out this? Let me show you how to calculate this. I'm going to rewrite everything up here. So I'm going to write 2 divided by 4 plus 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 2, which is the same thing as half. Now, I am going to work out this part first, which is the top part. So, first I need to find the LCM for 4 and 3, the denominators. Sometimes you can multiply both denominators to get the LCM. In this case, I can do so. So, 4 times 3 is 12. So, I know that 12 is the LCM for 3 and 4. So I'm going to draw a line and write 12. So now 4 into 12 goes 3 times. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 3 into 12 goes 4 times. So 4 ones is 4 divided by half, which is the same thing. So now 6 plus 4 is 10. So we're going to write 10 over 12 divided by half. Now we are going to rewrite the 10 over 12. This time I am going to change this sign, this division sign, to multiplication sign. Then I am going to flip these numbers. In other words, I am going to invert. So I am going to write 2 over 1. So the numerator becomes the denominator. Likewise, the denominator becomes the numerator. What can we break down here? We can say 2 into itself goes 1 time, 2 into 12 goes 6 times. So we can multiply across. So we can say 10 ones is 10, 6 ones is 6. But we need to write this in its lowest term. Hence, we can divide both sides by 2. So let us rewrite. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 2 into 10 goes 5 times. 2 into 6 goes 3 times. Now I have an improper fraction because the denominator is smaller than the numerator. Hence, I am going to break this down. So 3 into 5 goes 1 time and the remainder is 2. So our answer is 1, 2 over 3. Let us do another example. Here we have some mixed fractions. We have 1 over 3 plus 4, 2 over 2, all over 2, 1 over 4. Let us calculate. First thing we need to do is to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So I'm going to do the conversion. So let us calculate. 3 ones is 3 plus 1 is 4. So we can write 4 over 3. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have 10 over 2 divided by 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So we have 9 over 4. We need to find the LCM for 3 and 2. We can multiply both denominators to get the LCM. So we can say 3 times 2 is 6. So we know that the LCM is 6. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2 into 6 goes 3 times. 3 times 10 is 30 divided by 9 over 4. You see that? So 8 plus 30 is 38 over 6 divided by 9 over 4. Now I am going to rewrite 38 over 6, then change the division sign to multiplication, then invert or flip the numbers over here. So we're going to write 4 over 9. You see that? 4 over 9. We invert. So this is basically the reciprocal for 9 over 4. 4 over 9 is the reciprocal for 9 is the reciprocal for 9 over 4. So we just flip the numbers, we invert, change the sign and invert. So what can we break down here? We can break down the 4 and the 6. So we can use 2 to break down these two numbers. So 2 into 4 goes 2 times, 2 into 6 goes 3 times. Then we multiply across. 2 times 38 is 76. 3 times 9 is 27. So we have an improper fraction. 27 into 76 goes 2 times and the remainder is 22. So we're going to write 27 here. So we have 22 over 27. This is our answer. So this is how we calculate problem like this. So let us look at the final example. So this is our final example. So we have 5, 4 over 6 minus 2, 1 over 3, all over 1 over 10. Right? This time we are going to minus. Since we have some mixed fractions here, we know that we must convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Right? So 5 times 6 is 30 plus 4 is 34 over 6. So write back the denominator. Minus 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have 7 over 3 divided by 1 over 10. You see that? We are going to find the LCM for 6 and 3. The LCM is obvious. 6 is the LCM because we know that 6 is the lowest number that both numbers can go into and leave no remainder. So we know that we must write 6 for the LCM. So we know that 6 is the LCM. 6 into itself goes 1 time. So we know that we must multiply. So we know that we must multiply 1 times 34. So 1 times 34 is 34. Minus sign. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Divided by 1 over 10. You see that? 34 minus 14 leave 20 over 6 divided by 1 over 10. Now we are going to rewrite 20 over 6, change the sign to multiplication, 1 over 10, 2 and 10. 2 into 6 goes 3 times, 2 into 10 goes 5 times. Now we are going to multiply across. So 5 times 20 is 100. 3 ones is 3. So 3 into 100 goes 33 times, and the remainder is 1. So our final answer would be 33, 1 over 3. It is the same thing as this. So this is how we work out problem like this. Alright? So when you're going that CXC mathematics exam, just apply your knowledge, work out the problem, show working as clear as possible, show CXC that you know what you are doing. Yeah, man. So this brings us to the end of another exciting and informative lesson. If you like the video, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe. Share the video with your friends. A lot of persons are struggling in mathematics. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, man. So thank you for watching Learning with the Passleys. See you next time. See you later.